Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia. Welcome to another vlog. I'm in Vegas by myself, solo trip. Here is my view. I have a little room tour coming up or whatever, so yeah, y'all can stay tuned for that. I'm surprised there ain't nobody in the pool right now. Maybe it's closed. You guys, I planned on doing like some little cute airport footage and all that stuff for y'all, but I have literally been flying and at the airport all day. So I got to the airport at like 4 this morning. Mind you, I did not sleep that good. I went to bed at like 1:30 because my daughter, she was crying. So I was like, okay, I'll lay down with her. So I didn't go to sleep until like 1:30. And I kept waking up like every hour, checking the time to make sure I could get up on time for the airport. Get to the airport, we get to the airport, they're like, the pilots are running late, their shuttle left them. Okay, fine, that's cool. The pilots get there, we get on the plane. Oh, we having a technical issue. It's gonna take about 45 minutes to fix. Y'all can get off the plane, it'll be more comfortable. Y'all, that 45 minutes turned into 2 hours. My flights kept getting delayed. So I was originally supposed to fly out of St. Louis to Houston, then Houston to Vegas. I ended up going St. Louis to Houston, Houston to Denver, Denver to Vegas. I am tired. I don't feel like doing nothing but grabbing something to eat and getting into bed because, let me see. It is, let me see, 6:58. So it's 8:58 my time. Y'all be getting to bed. I be tired. But yeah, so I'm waiting on my friend. She's supposed to get here. I'm tired. I just put up a couple of my little outfits or whatever. I plan on going to go see the Jabberwockies tomorrow. And probably like going to a nice dinner. Oh damn, the dress done fell. All right y'all, but I'll see y'all in a minute because like I said, I'm tired. I can't even think straight. Getting the, it ain't even moving though. Is people getting on it?
People probably just standing up there oh, they got some stuff on there.
We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they pulling out this night? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig, she telling me Tay is the best. Pointed at you who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper, you play with me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood, round Drake, round Drake. even though I got a case, I'ma do what it take. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. When he tell the story, that's not way. Know that he 100%. Without a risk, I just call it.
We at the Link Promenade, and I got some fish and chips.
From where?
From Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips. Oh, so this is it.
Yeah.
I got this jalapeno dip type stuff. So yes. Oh, and a lemonade, y'all. This lemonade is great. And then I got tartar sauce, and then some spicy aioli sauce that they got, and shrimp. And this, y'all, it's hot as hell today. That's the view. Right here on the steps. Cause we couldn't find nowhere to sit. Like the Gordon Ramsay spot over there don't have that many places. So we went to the pool earlier today, as y'all saw.
It was beautiful.
It was nice, but it was hot. My arms started turning red. Oh, you can talk. I'm gonna put the music over it.
Oh, okay. I was just saying, I was thinking that shit was A1 and like the car 9, but it might be good here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of what they do. Oh, they have a bar here?
Ooh.
It's nice to bring the art gallery over there.
Cause we didn't come here last time.
Nah,
We didn't even cross the
they
street.
had a little restaurant right there, but I think these cost a bunch of money.
Yeah, can I get the strawberry?
That's what kind?
Can I get that one right there? That first one? Yeah. No.
You getting them?
Uh-huh.
You getting the one for one?
Yeah, the one with one. I'm about to go see the Jabberwockies, y'all. I am late as hell. Like right in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so late, y'all, for this show. Okay, I gotta go, y'all.
Your Bluetooth has connected successfully.
What's up, y'all? Okay, so this will be my first night by myself, cause like I told y'all, this is like a solo trip. Bestie hung out with me. We hung out for like the whole day. She stayed here overnight, but I'm finna be in here by myself. I'm gonna be good, but I'm gonna show y'all what I grabbed for dinner, because I just want to pick something up and then come and eat it in my room, so I don't be out late alone. But y'all, got some pizza. And then I'm trying this Bobby Flay veggie burger type thing. So my ass finna get in bed and eat this. This is the dress I wore tonight. I went to go see the Jabberwockies. I did not wear these shoes. I just had to take them shoes off. Let me show y'all the shoes that I wore. These are the shoes that I wore. I got these from Fashion Nova, and damn, my feet were hurting so bad. So I went to go see the Jabberwockies. I had been wanting to see them since 2013, and today I finally went to go see them. And I'm gonna tell y'all, baby, listen, when I say they put on a show, they put on a show. they interacted with the audience. They even had the audience like participate and like do songs. It was really good. It was an amazing show. I was getting emotional because I had been following them since 2008, 7 or 8, when they were on America's Best Dance Crew. So that's where I first saw them at, and they actually won that. And then the next time I saw them was 2013 in Vegas. Like, they had a little shop there. But yeah, so I had a good time. I had a good day. We went to the pool. It was hot than a mofo out there. I closed them curtains and I'm finna get in the bed and I'm about to chow down and I'm putting on something to watch. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's agenda, I'm going to Selfie World to get me some like content, some photos. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's cold in here. What's she turning it down to? Oh, 66. Girl. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Put it on 75. Okay, y'all. I lied real quick. I had got this veggie burger from Bobby Flay's. Bobby's Burgers. It's basically Bobby Flay. If y'all watch Food Network, y'all know who he is. But the burger is actually very, very good. But the mushrooms are big as hell and they are weirding me out so much. It's like mushrooms, chickpeas, and some other stuff. It's really good. The texture of mushrooms just weird me out. So the pizza's cold as hell. The fries are cool. And the sauce is very, very good. Hey y'all, good morning. What's up? I guess you could say this is like day 3. This is day 3. I'm about to hop in the shower and then I'm going to go down to the pool, and then once I get done with that, I'm gonna come back up here, shower again, and then I'm finna hit the strip. So yeah, I did not have a good night's sleep last night, you guys. Whatever the hell I ate yesterday, y'all, I accidentally ate some pork. Haven't eaten pork in years, and I ate it yesterday, and I don't know if that's what messed my stomach up, but baby, I was up at like 1 o'clock in the mother freaking morning in the bathroom. And then I had some pizza yesterday. I had a little bit of pizza, and it looked like that pizza had been sitting out for a while. And let me turn this off so I don't get a copyright. It looked like that pizza had been sitting out for a while, because when he got it, he had put the slice back in the oven. So it could have been that, the pork I freaking ate, or it could have been the drink. But whatever it was, I ate a little bit of that burger too. But whatever it was, y'all, it messed your girl up. So I was kind of nervous sleeping in here by myself last night too. But I washed my face this morning. I'm gonna leave these lashes on because I had tried to pull them off and it was like rough, so I'm gonna just leave them on. But I'm finna hop in the shower, and then y'all just gonna come with me to the pool. Hey y'all, I'm about to head to the pool because I don't get many opportunities to go to the pool like by myself. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. This way, okay. So I don't get many opportunities to go to the pool by myself, so that's what we about to do today. So yeah, because back home when I go to the pool, it's not for me, it's for the kids. I'm taking them to the pool so they can have a good time and they can enjoy themselves, and so they can get out the house. So this is mama's time. This is my last day in Vegas. I literally leave tomorrow at like 7 in the morning. So mama is about to have some fun, you know, and not feel guilty about it. So I forgot to sunscreen my face, but it's good. I'll see y'all at the pool. This looks so good, y'all. Hey y'all, we about to get a massage. We are at Miracle Mile. I'm about to look at this. Yay! There's Bestie. Y'all, we at the Aria. And this is so cool, y'all. Look at this.
What I wanted to bring in.
Look at this. Oh, it ain't one in. Oh, it is one in there. It's right there. And then look at the flow. It looks so nice. It's so pretty.
Yes. Oh, they got an Alexandra McQueen store. I heard that when I get home. No. Crying. See the link, the high roller. I forgot all about it. So you want to walk through here or no?
We can.
I hope we get to where we're supposed to go. Oh, that's the flamingo.
Oh, so we gotta get out and go like around or something?
We could walk through it and then walk out that one door.
Oh, okay.
That take us to the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The, I don't know what that is. What's it called?
It's nice in here.
Promenade, yeah.
Baby, the cars on decline. You roll with me and we shine. Baby, we shine. Yeah, little mama, we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house. Baby, you can get like any ring. Anything. Then I can knock it down. All through the night, all through the day, yeah. I knock that pussy out. Baby, you call.